Hey guys, this is JDizzEats and we are in Winnipeg, and today we are gonna do a shawarma can, trying on their wrath of can shawarma. So it's basically their signature. So basically chicken, beef, and lamb, and I put every single topping there, such as lettuce, onions, banana peppers, and some hot sauce, and some other vegetables in their toppings. And I know this will look good, I hope. And let's give this a taste. We're going to give this a taste now. The wrath of can shawarma.
Kasi bakit yung Facebook mo ang lumalabas? Hindi.
So much things going on in there.
Sige, sa'yo na lang gagamitin natin.
The crunch of was vegetable. And then the meat. So nice and moist.
7
And
to
look at that.
17 minutes. 7 to 17 minutes.
Mm. Oh yeah, nice and fresh there. Nice grilled on there. I see.
Naiinis ako, ayoko na.
Yeah.
Ako rin nabibwisit ha. Nag-select na, in-enter ko na yung credit card ko eh, tapos select payment pa rin.
Baka naman. I can feel that onion aftertaste in here.
2844.
I think it needs more sauce on this, but I don't know, because it may be on the bottom, but it sure needs some more sauce on the shawarma. But overall, pretty decent.
Okay, order na.
Thing needs to balance these meats. They're not on a 25-25-25 ratio of chicken, beef, and lamb.
Ano order mo na babal mo?
Strawberry milk. Strawberry slush.
But they're mostly vegetables
Okay,
in the shawarma.
Jdizz,
As I'm getting to the bottom, I know my mouth's a little messy. There's sauce in there.
847.
I know there's a lot of sauce on the bottom, but not much on top in the middle. But then I'm gonna try to get this in one bite. It's gonna be really messy, but hope for the best. Wow, that's so messy. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to rate the shawarma cans, the wrath of cans, beef, chicken, and lamb, and signature, a 7.5 out of 10. And the reason why, because it was good, good, except needs a little bit more sauce. It was a lack of sauce, because all I see sauce is on the bottom, and then when I get that first bite of my shawarma, I don't taste that much sauce on there. The garlic sauce and that spicy sauce in there. And also the ratio isn't the best. Mostly vegetable ratio in there. And a bit of chicken, lamb, and beef. But next time when I go there, I'm just gonna order with beef and lamb shawarma. And it's kind of expensive than Lasage. Well, that's the signature one. Well, yeah, it's a bit cheaper than Lasage, but the signature one's expensive though, so that's why it's quite expensive. And should recommend trying shawarma cans out if you guys can in Winnipeg. And that'll be it for this video. If you do enjoy this video, leave a like, comment for any suggestions, subscribe, and share this to anyone. And guys, it's JDizzEats, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!